Dude, this is so exciting. We love the ice shows over at Busch Gardens, and there's a brand new one, Rhythm of Nature, and we're gonna go check it out right now, be some of the first people to ever see it.
Let me bring out the expert, our Vice President of Entertainment, Miss Christine Morgan.
Hello, media and VIP and influencers, very important people. I'm so happy to welcome you to tonight's show and encourage you to hopefully spread the good word about this new fabulous creation that's finally arrived here at the Moroccan Palace. A lot of people have worked very hard. It takes a village to put on a show like this, so I just really want to quickly do some thank yous. I especially would like to thank the Imagination House out of Orlando for their unique and wonderful show concept, design, and direction. I'd also like to thank Richie Porter with Advanced Entertainment Group, as well as our own Busch Gardens costume team, led by Lauren Bracewell, for our costume construction and embellishment for this show. I think you'll be really blown away by the costumes. I'd also like to thank Mecca and everyone on our technical staff, led by Lee Roberts, Danny Agers, Guy Harris, and our fabulous stage manager, Caroline Campos, and our technical team for making this all run back here. Yes, and lastly, I would like you to spend the night celebrating with our fantastic ice skaters who have really poured their heart and soul into this project, and now they can really shine. And to tell you a little bit more about how this project all came together, we have a really fun video on the making of Rhythm of Nature. So we'd like to show that to you all now so you can understand a little bit more about what went into developing this brand new creation here at the Moroccan Palace. And after that, we'll run the show. So everybody enjoy, so glad you're here tonight. Have fun, come back this summer. I think it's one of the coolest places in Tampa for entertainment with all of our theaters open. Thank you.
The first thing we hope is that as audiences come in, they're ready to use their imaginations. We are welcoming them into a global village, but this village isn't a real place. This is a somewhere that is inspired by different locations and cultures from all around the world. Dakari is guided into the dream realm by this beautiful light spirit. And while he is in the dream world, he visits different places and he meets different animals, and those encounters are sort of the important bits that will combine later to help him find the essence of leadership that he needs to fulfill his destiny.
We have a brand new giant LED wall that is upstage in the theater.
It's really cool because it provides like this dynamic setting that changes and moves with the numbers, while also it is so big and invites the audience into the number itself.
For Rhythm of Nature, we used a software called Unreal Engine, and what the software allows us to do is to create a more immersive world where everything that you create is already lit and unified with the same color and lighting. And what's better about that as well is that it allows us to actually find the best angles that we want to use for the show. It gives you a lot of satisfaction when you see something go from an idea in somebody's head all the way out to this wonderful screen that we have here in this theater.
It's an incredible visual effect that we added, and I think the audience is really going to like it.
The sound of the show is a little Alice in Wonderland, whereas pop compositions, pop songs that everybody knows, but they're just a little bit different. So there's some orchestral elements to them or something that you're not used to hearing, so that when Dakari is in his dream state, it doesn't feel like exactly what you've heard on the radio. It feels like something a little bit different. So Dakari, which is the first song, which is named after the main character of the show, that's an original piece. I think Dakari will put them in one place. At that point, Dakari is about to be crowned the head of the village, so he's in a village scene. So it's a little more organic than the rest of the pieces. Once Dakari gets transformed into his dream state, the pieces become more pop and a little more electronic. And then we kind of end up back where we started at the end.
I think Richie Porter, the people who put the costumes together, and the staff here to do the finishing work, because you design something and you imagine it, but it's not real until you see it. And I'm really looking forward to the opening of the show, because as things are coming together, it's better than even I imagined.
Everyone feels beautiful and confident in all of our costumes. They are amazingly put together, and we're so excited to show them off.
It is a fact that I have never choreographed on ice.
It's a wild thing and it's happening, but it truly is one of the best experiences of my life. I remember coming in to meet the cast and thinking, none of us know what we're getting ourselves into, but we're all just gonna do this together. There is a continuity that the ice gives movement that you don't have when you're not skating. And it's truly something that I have learned to embrace and love over this time. That translation and understand it has probably been one of my most favorite things about choreographing on ice.
Our company is Advanced Entertainment Group. This actually will be our 30th year at Busch Gardens. The cast is super excited about doing a new show. It's always fun to give the audience and the guests at Busch Gardens something new to see and also bring back the skaters that they fell in love with. I think my favorite part is rehearsals. You have all these skaters coming together, you meet as strangers, and you end up being a family. And doing this together, collaborating, working together, you have a special bond that doesn't happen very often.
In a faraway land, rich with tradition, young Dakari stands at the edge of destiny, poised to become the next great leader. But first, Dakari must embark on a timeless journey, a quest to the dream world, to experience and learn from the spirits of the different places and animals found only where the rhythm of nature guides the heartbeat of the land.
sleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams. just like a fantasy. Everyone wants to be reach out for the things I need, but is it all just a mirage? Is it just a mirage? they'll remember. Oh, they'll remember. I know it from the
And as the magical dream world starts to slip away, Dakari reflects on everything seen and learned and experienced, ready now to step into the destiny that awaits.
I am a light sleeper, but I am a heavy dreamer. My imagination gives me wings, and I can go anywhere.
Well, they did it again. That was one of the best shows I've ever seen, and definitely my favorite ice show I've ever seen here. The music selection, the choreography, and the storyline, chef's kiss. If you guys want to check out the old show, check it out right here.